Ever had that heart-stopping moment when red wine splashes onto your pristine cream couch? Or maybe your adorable pup just left a mud trail on your white ottoman? Enter the world of upholstery cleaners. Whether it's a handheld device, a simple spray, or a special cream, these lifesavers come in handy for those unexpected spills or stubborn stains on soft surfaces. But here's a tip. Before diving right in, make sure to do a little test run to keep your beloved furniture safe. As Lauren Bowen from Two Maids and a Mop advises, always spot test to ensure your cleaning method doesn't damage the fabric or its color. Dive into our detailed guide, where we've put countless upholstery cleaners to the test. Based on ease of use, efficiency, portability, noise, and value, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 steam cleaners for upholstery. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's get started. To aid your decision, we've also provided essential factors to bear in mind. Links to all the steam cleaners mentioned in the video can be found in the description below. For an in-depth analysis and a comparison tool, visit our website at www.crediblepick.com. Number 5. Curating Handheld Steam Cleaner. Unveiling the Curating Handheld Steam Cleaner, the magic wand of cleaning. This 10-in-1 marvel isn't just any cleaner, it's your ultimate weapon against stubborn stains, transforming everything from furniture to car interiors, tiles, windows, and carpets. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it a breeze to handle, and with just a push of a button, unleash its steamy might. But here's where the Curating stands out. It revs up to a scorching 221 degrees Fahrenheit in a mere 150 seconds. Fill it, lock it, plug it, and watch for the LED cue. Once it's off, you're good to go. And don't let its 450mm tank capacity fool you. For optimal steam magic, 250mm is a sweet spot. Our team at Credible Pick was absolutely blown away by the Curating's performance. From reviving a worn-out microfiber recliner to busting mineral deposits in a dishwasher, it's a powerhouse. It's a battle against household nemesises like coffee, dirt, and wine. Flawless victory. Tomato sauce and chocolate? Let's say they fought hard, but Curating still dominated with a 70% takedown. So the pros? Steam power that'll make dirt surrender instantly. Ergonomic design paired with user-friendly accessories. Safety first, the steam button deactivates once released. Say goodbye to coffee and wine nightmares. Hello, refreshed fabric. Number 4. Pure Enrichment Rolling Steam Cleaner. Roll out the red carpet for the steam cleaner on wheels. This mover and shaker heats up in a snappy 8 minutes, powering you with 45 minutes of steamy cleaning magic from its generous 50-ounce reservoir. Operation is a cinch. Go hands-free with a consistent steam flow or take control with the steam button for customized bursts. But wait, there's more. Bid farewell to outlet hopping, thanks to its marathon 16-foot power cord that lets you deep dive into cleaning an entire room without unplugging. Think of this steam cleaner as your ultimate cleaning Swiss Army knife, boasting 17 genius attachments. Need to touch the clouds? The 3-foot extension wand has your back. Dirty windows? Swipe them clean with the squeegee. Dusty corners, muddy floors, or stained upholstery? The triangle brush, mop head, and jet nozzle are ready to rumble. While it might be a tad pricier than its counterparts, the added cord length is a game changer, especially for those tricky, hard-to-reach messes. So, not just a steam cleaner, it's your home superhero, ready to combat grime in every nook and cranny. Number 3. Hoover Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Got a fur ball who fancies lounging on the sofa? Don't even think about shooing them away. Instead, arm yourself with the ultimate cleaning gadget tailored for pet lovers. While heat can be a no-no for certain pet spills, it might just seal in those pesky stains and scents, steam cleaners might not always be your best ally. But don't fret, the Hoover Clean Slate Pet Carpet Spot Cleaner comes to the rescue. Picture this. It's as if your furniture is going through a spa day. In our trials, this handheld wizard reminded us of a fancy water vacuum. We challenged it with 2 sticky situations, a saucy splash and a grimy mark. And oh boy, the soil stain? It met its match in a breezy 90 seconds. Watching it vanish felt like witnessing a cushion's very own car wash moment. Sure, the saucy stain needed a bit more elbow grease and solution, but it's a small price to pay for the satisfaction. Besides, who can resist the 7-inch wide cleaning tool that's perfect for dousing sofas in cleansing goodness? While it's strictly a soft surface champion and may not be as multifaceted as other cleaners, its simplicity and portability make it an ace for households seeking fuss-free and efficient tidying. Number 2. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner Multi-Purpose Heavy-Duty Steamer. Introducing the ultimate heavy-duty steamer. Think of the most stubborn stains you've ever met. This beast tackles them head-on and won't stop until a whopping 50 minutes later. And guess what? It's not just about the cleaning, it's about keeping things healthy. With its superheated steam magic, it annihilates about 99% of those pesky germs, and that's without any chemicals. Now let's talk design. Sleek, compact, and oh so easy to tuck away. Weighing in at just 9 pounds, it's the featherweight champion of the cleaning world. Plus, with a hose stretching to a generous 6 foot 6 inches, you've got range. Just give it a quick 7-minute warm-up and you're good to go. Oh, and for those of you who are thinking about the long game, this gem comes with a 2-year warranty. So the key features? Its steam temperature goes up to 275 degrees. It's compact and portable. All natural, no chemicals needed. Natural disinfectant. Kills bedbugs and dust mites. Comes with about 18 attachments. Number 1. Bizzle Little Green Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Hold on to your hats, folks. Introducing the undisputed champ in the realm of upholstery and carpet cleaners, the Bizzle Little Green. Though small in stature, its power and performance are nothing short of epic. Light as a feather but fierce as a lion, it outperformed every contender in our testing arena, earning its place as our top pick for all upholstered wonders, be it plush sofas, snug car seats, elegant draperies, and beyond. Remember that pesky wet pot stain? Gone in just over 60 seconds. And that stubborn ketchup? Nearly vanished with a tad bit of elbow grease, making it the MVP among all the portable contenders we tried. The magic unfolds in 2 simple steps. Spray using its nifty 3-inch stain tool, and then let the same tool shampoo and vacuum away the nemesis. What truly melted our hearts was its user-friendliness. It's like the device cradles your hand with its comfortable grip, lightweight charm, and compact silhouette. And with a 15-foot cord, say goodbye to the drag the tank dance. Storage woes? Please. This little warrior stands tall, or rather compactly, even when filled with water and solution, ever ready for action. Plus, the genius dual tank design keeps dirty and clean water separate, so frequent refills? Not on its watch. If we were to nitpick, we'd love a few more attachments, perhaps a broader tool for those mega messes. But considering its price to performance ratio, this little green marvel is the dream come true for every parent or pet owner facing the never-ending saga of spills and stains. Simply put, if you're not Team Bizzle Little Green yet, you're missing out on the best in the game. Drop a comment below and let me know which cleaner stole your heart and why. I'm all ears. If you found some golden nuggets of wisdom in this video, smash that thumbs up. And if you're hungry for more juicy content, hit that subscribe button. Can't wait to see you rockstars in our next video adventure.